Using the law of attraction for love and relationships works whether you believe it will or not. You don't have to be in a place where you are sure you know how to use the law of attraction to manifest love. You just have to remember that the law of attraction is about your thoughts. Like thoughts attract like things. When using the law of attraction for love, you have to stop focusing on what your love life or relationships are like now. If you focus on how things are now, your thoughts will be filled with what is, and the law of attraction will give you matching experiences. If you think that you're lonely or all alone in the world, the law of attraction will bring you more loneliness. If you're frustrated with your love life, the law of attraction will bring you more frustration. If you think that you'll never find love, the law of attraction will bring you more instances where you don't have love. Don't look at your relationship as it is now, but visualize it and mentally picture how you want it to be. Live as if it already is reality. Do the things you would do if you already had the relationship you want. Go on that vacation you've always wanted. Take those cooking classes. Sign up for a massage course. These actions are powerful thoughts that will draw more love into your life. Each action is telling the universe that you aren't waiting until you're with someone to do X. After all, if you're thinking that you're waiting for someone, you're telling the law of attraction to bring you more waiting. Throughout all of this, remember to love and respect yourself so that you can attract someone who loves and respects you. Focus on how wonderful you are. Even if you can just focus on one thing that's good about you, that's okay. Keep focusing on it and the law of attraction will give you more things that you like about yourself. And when you manifest your love, or if you have a relationship now that is a struggle, focus on what you appreciate about the other person. Don't complain about him or her. It will only give you more things to complain about. Every day, focus on all the things you like about him, his strengths, his sense of humor, his ability to get things done. And always remember that love is just a feeling. You're the only one who can generate it, but your ability to generate love is unlimited. Love your life. Love yourself. Love everything you can. The more love you send out, the more will come back to you. You can select plan below http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more or share to help more people. Thank you so much.